We are Chef Spot, and we are a Walmart Marketplace seller. Started Chef Spot around 2023. We saw there was a big gap in people wanting to cook on their own, so we wanted to introduce a cooking line. We're trying to provide customers with the best quality at affordable pricing. We knew the power and the strength of Walmart, and, the customers and the sales volume, but I think we underestimated it. Quantity that we thought would last us a month ended up lasting us 6 hours. We have a demand of our product, and we need inventory to send it to the WFS. Our inventory was arriving, and we had to pay the balances to our factories. We went to Walmart Capital because we know the fast turnaround. We were able to get the offer, accept it, and money would hit our account same day or next day sometimes. With the capital offer, we were able to stay in stock, stay fulfilled by Walmart, and we were able to stay at that competitive pricing, and we just saw our organic ranking going higher and higher. Capital for WFS is helping our company take bigger stands with our inventory and be able to diversify our catalog and add additional SKUs. If you're an e-commerce company, you should absolutely take advantage of the capital for WFS and grow your company, whether you're a small business or big business.